show. It's up and down, presented by Street Chef. It's named My Cooking Show. We're like kind of late night. It's on a Friday night. It's Friday night dinner club. A buddy of mine, he invited me over. It's his birthday, 48th birthday. We all know who Rudy Overbay was, right? You know, God rest his soul. This is his brother. He invited me over and I cooked for him tonight. This is more meaning to me and you and to the people of Fort Wayne. I'm just on the other side of this town called the South Side. We're over on Belmont and Webster. I was minded, let alone in the last couple of years, over 4 murders over here. We are not going through that. My buddy who is flashing the light right now, that's his brother. He's beaming the light in this little section of area of Fort Wayne, which I'm standing behind. It says private property, but it's a little park to bring happiness and glow into what the people want in Fort Wayne. We want better. We are going to get better. We will get better. And I will tell you, when you vote for me, for your mayor, we will not have some of this crime going unsolved. People getting run over by cars. And I appreciate Daryl inviting me over for his special night. He turned 48 tonight. And I appreciate him to inviting me over. His family is hurting. They want closure. Just like everybody else who's getting murdered. They want closure. They want to find out. So when we get back onto subjects about lowering our crime, and I will have a picture of his brother on my website soon, within the next 24 hours. Facebook, social media, LinkedIn, we're on a lot. You know, the European websites will help and get our word out. You know, 80,000 people strong is going to see this message tonight. And I appreciate the viewers. Thank you. And God bless. And let's be safe and let's get vaccinated. Thank you, Public Access Television. That was one fucking take. That was one take.
Yes. Kind words. I appreciate it.
Hey.
Kind words.
Not to get sentimental like that. I got choked up, dude.
Yeah. I did too, remember?
You threw that cigarette butt. I know you had to get choked up.
Yeah.
Fucking emotional. But you know what? I want to see this video, dude.
Yeah. We feel
This
that
is
pain
my
every
boy
day.
right here, Daryl, right here.
We feel that pain every day. You know?
We do, and I'm glad, you see that, and the light goes out. But let's continue this. We cannot do this, America. All right? God bless, and let's stay safe. Let's get vaccinated again, all right? It's not again. Let's get vaccinated. Lower the curve. So I'm in the food business. God bless you, and I'll see you when I see you.
All right. And that's a wrap. That's a wrap.